MCQ, pause the video and try to answer, and if you have marked answer as option B, then you are right. So hair cycle, so this is a question about hair cycle. You need to have a brief idea about what is this hair cycle. So hair, it over the body, it moves from one phase to another phase, and this happens in a proper chronological order, and we are going to see change of one phase from another to another. So the change is going to be in the particular order of A, C, T. So you must know the order is anagen phase will become catagen phase, and it will become telogen phase. So this is the order. This order should not be changed, and you must also have few details. You must also have idea about what are the numericals which are associated with this hair cycle. So in the anagen phase, you must remember over a person's body in a given point, at any given point of time, almost 85% of the hairs are going to be in anagen phase. And one more point which you must remember is this is the phase in which growth of the hair will take place. So this is growth phase. Next is going to be the catagen phase. In catagen phase, you must remember that only 1% of the hairs are going to be in anagen in catagen phase, sorry, and this is going to be involutionary phase. The hair is going to involute in this catagen phase. So the next is going to be telogen phase, and in this telogen phase, you must remember that almost 13 to 15% of the hairs are going to be in telogen phase, and this is basically a resting phase. That is, the hair is just waiting for the final phase, that is shedding off, which is called as exogen. This is not a part of hair cycle, but just remember that exogen is the shedding. In this, there will be shedding of the hair. Okay, finally again there will be a regrowth of the hair in the form of anagen hair follicle being developed. And also one more numerical which you must remember is the number 3. Number 3, if you remember, which is in common for all these phases, the only difference is going to be the duration. So anagen phase is hair is going to stay over a person's body for a period of 3 years, whereas catagen phase, the hair is going to stay for a period of 3 weeks, and telogen phase, the hair is going to stay over a person's body for a period of 3 months. So number 3 is common, but the only difference is the duration. Okay, I hope now you can remember this hair cycle without any problem with the help of ACT Fibernet. Is actually a internet connection which we use in Hyderabad. So మా దగ్గర ACT Fibernet ఉంది, and I hope this video will help you to remember all these spaces. If so, please do like this video and show your support. And there's one question, so pause the video, try to answer. What is the ratio of anagen to telogen phase hair, and what is the growth rate of hair? Okay, and this is tomorrow's MCQ. Pause and try to read and answer.